So intermediate botany practical question paper consists 5 sections. So total marks 30, 3 hours time. So the question paper consists 5 sections. First section consists 3 families and 3 plants. Second section, that is plant anatomy. Third section, experiments. Fourth section, slides and specimen. Fifth one, record, herbarium and viva. So once again, first section, 3 families plants, that is families Fabaceae, Solanaceae, Liliaceae. Fabaceae Tephrosia purpurea plant, Solanaceae Datura metal plant, Liliaceae Allium cepa plant. Second section, there will be a plant anatomy, section cuttings, that is dicot stem, monocot stem, dicot root, monocot root. Third section consists of 4 experiments, that is potato osmoscope, plasmolysis, cobalt chloride paper method, and paper chromatography. Whereas fourth section consists slides and specimens, and fifth one record, herbarium and eva. So first section carry 6 marks, second section carry 6 marks, third section carry 6 marks, fourth section carry 5 marks, fifth section 7 marks, from which 5 marks for record, 2 marks for herbarium and viva versa.